Welcome to Tech Brothers Damer. In this video, we are going to learn how to use colRegex function in PySpark. CallRegex allows you to select columns in a data frame using regular expressions. So we are going to take a look at how exactly this works. So here is my data, and you see that we have name column here, and then we have department here, and then we have salary, and here we have country that we mostly don't use. We've been using these three columns most of the time. Now in this we have a departments here, and we have all that. Now here I'm defining the list of the columns. So first column is name. So then we have department name, dpt underscore name, then I said dpt underscore salary, and then I have country. I did this by purpose because I want to use colRegex function to select some column depending on only the columns which has department name in it. So I want to select those. So that's why I renamed them in a specific way. And often you have those scenarios where you are loading a lot of JSON data into DataFrame, and you have plenty of those scenarios where you will need to select specific columns with specific names, or that contains some part of the name of that column. So here we are creating a data frame df, and the spark.create data frame is going to create a data frame with this data, and we use this column for the schema. So this is where our header will be. Now we have a data frame.show that's going to show us our data frame. So let's execute and take a look on the data frame, and here's my data frame output, and you can see we have name, we have department name, we have department salary, and then we have country. Now in our first example, what we can do is select columns that start with the department underscore. So if I would like to do that, how I can write my expression. So here I will say df data frame select, use the select function, and then I am saying df dot colRegex, and inside that I'm providing the department expressions. So see right there, I have this expressions right here, department underscore, then dot here, and then asterisk. That means use anything that has at least this part, and then the rest of the anything can happen on the right side, after that. So these two columns will qualify in this case. You see, when I just selected that, and it is qualifying these ones. So if we execute, it's going to show us the only columns which are starting with the underscore department, department underscore. See right there. So it is showing us those. Now if I would like to see any columns which has a name, so that can be anything on the left side, dot asterisk, and then I'm saying name, and then saying $sign. So it means anything that ends with the name. So here you see that I have name here, that's ending with a name. It is actually only the name, but it could be like have like a first name, last name, or whatever. And then also we have this part. So you see that these two columns are qualified for this one. So if I execute this, what's going to happen here is going to show me only those two columns which are ending with the name in their columns. So see right there, these are the two columns. We are getting there. Now if you want to select column that contain try, or maybe name, or anything, so in this case we have country, right? So country is the only one that is containing try, right? So we can go ahead and run this one. And now if I run in this one, so I will say df.select df.colRegex, and then I'm providing the expression as dot asterisk, and then saying dot asterisk, and in the middle I'm providing try. So it's going to find anything, all those columns which has try in them, and then execute that. And in our case it's just one column, that's a country. So there are not whole lot columns in our case. So see right there, that's a try right there. So if you can also, let's say you go here and you say like, guess what, I want anything which has a T in it. Okay, so now we said there are three columns that qualify for it. So I can just delete this. Instead of try, I will say T, and then it's going to bring the three columns. It's not going to bring the name column. So it didn't bring the name column because name doesn't have T character in that column name. But here is T, here is T, and here is T. So that's why we are seeing these three columns. So I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will put this in the description, the code, and you can take from there and experiment and play with it and learn different expressions, how to use the colRegex function to get some specific columns from your data frame. Depending on those naming conventions, you will be using the expressions. I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.